Welcome to ClearTask. If you are seeing the message, "This phone number is banned," when trying to log into Telegram, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the quickest and most effective way to appeal this ban and get your account back. First, do not panic. This often happens by mistake due to Telegram's automated security systems. Since you are locked out of the app, you will need to fix this using a web browser. Open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer and search for Telegram support. Click on the official Telegram support website, which should be the very first result. Once the page loads, you will see a simple contact form. In the first box, which asks you to describe your problem, keep it clear and polite. You can write something like, "Hello, my phone number has been banned by mistake. I use this account for standard communication and have not violated any terms of service. Please review and unban my number." In the next field, type in your active email address so their support team can reach you if needed. Then enter the exact phone number associated with your banned Telegram account. Make sure you include your correct country code at the beginning. Finally, check the human verification box and click Submit. Your request is now in the hands of the Telegram support team. It typically takes a few days for them to review the appeal and restore your access. Just be patient and try logging in again after 48 to 72 hours. If this guide helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.